When investors think about building wealth with ETFs, they usually think growth, technology, AI, or the next big winner. But what if you could build wealth by doing the opposite? Owning hundreds of America's largest companies at attractive valuations, collecting dividends, and paying almost nothing in fees. That's exactly what VEV is designed to do. Let's break down how it works and why this ETF could be a powerful long-term wealth builder. Part 1. What is VTV? VTV stands for the Vanguard Value ETF. This fund targets large-cap value companies, and it tracks the CRSP US Large Cap Value Index, giving investors exposure to hundreds of established American businesses that exhibit value characteristics. Think companies with established operations, strong financial fundamentals, and stock prices that are considered relatively inexpensive compared with other large-cap companies. The important thing is that you don't have to analyze hundreds of individual companies yourself. With one ETF, VTV gives you exposure to a diversified basket of large U.S. value stocks. Part 2. Key characteristics. VTV was launched in 2004, and as of this video, it has approximately $193 billion in assets under management. The fund holds roughly 308 stocks, and its expense ratio is an incredibly low 0.03%. That means you are paying roughly $3 per year for every $10,000 invested. VTV also currently has a dividend yield of around 1.9%. VTV's main goal is total return, combining potential price appreciation with dividends from established companies. And because the fund is so diversified, you're not relying on one company to drive your results. Part 3. Top holdings. VTV's largest holdings include companies like Berkshire Hathaway, JP Morgan Chase, ExxonMobil, Johnson & Johnson, Walmart, Caterpillar, AbbVie, Micron, and Procter & Gamble. And this tells you a lot about the ETF. You're not buying speculative startups hoping they'll become the next trillion-dollar company. You're buying pieces of some of the largest and most established businesses in America. The portfolio is also spread across multiple sectors. Financials are the largest allocation at roughly 21%, followed by industrials, healthcare, energy, consumer discretionary, consumer staples, and technology. So VTV gives you value exposure without putting your entire portfolio into one industry. Part 4. Performance. As of August 2026, VTV had delivered a 26.8% return over the previous year. But obviously, 1 year doesn't tell us much about a long-term investment. Over the past 10 years, VTV has produced an average annualized return of approximately 12.45%. And since its inception in 2004, the fund has averaged approximately 9.58% annually. Of course, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Part 5. Why invest in VTV? Investors choose VTV for 3 major reasons. Number 1. Diversification. Instead of trying to pick the next winning value stock, you can own hundreds of companies through one ETF. Number 2. Extremely low costs. With a 0.03% expense ratio, very little of your return gets eaten away by fund expenses. And number 3 is balance. If your portfolio is heavily concentrated in high-growth technology stocks, VTV gives you exposure to a completely different segment of the market. You get financials, healthcare, industrials, energy, consumer companies, and other established businesses. VTV doesn't need to be your entire portfolio. It can simply be the value component that balances out more aggressive growth investments. Part 6. Real-world example. If you invest just $100 every week into VTV for the next 30 years, and it averages the same 9.58% annual return it has delivered since inception, your portfolio could grow to approximately $730,000. If this video helped you understand VTV, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ETF investing content.